Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. Welcome back to another hashtag Sawal Saturday video where every Saturday I answer your questions. My voice is a little... yeah, that is because it's too early on a Saturday. I have a few things to get done today, so I woke up early. I'm still sort of slowly waking up. Anywho, we've got a set of questions. Let's get into it. Asha Purna Das. Hi Asha Purna. 5 things I love about Delhi. Okay, I love Delhi for my family. I love the food there. I don't think I've eaten food as good as Delhi anywhere else in the country. I love the shopping there. I think it's amazing. It's cheaper. It's much better than what we get in Mumbai. I love Delhi winters. I literally every year during winters I go and shop for a new jacket so I can go to Delhi and wear it. I love winters and Delhi winters are really good. And number 5, I don't know if this counts, but then like there's the Shishganj Gurudwara in Chandni Chowk, then there's the Bangla Sahib in Connaught Place. I really like going to these places. Like I really like going to Gurudwaras when I'm in Delhi. And I'm not the sort of person, no, I'm a Hindu so I'm not going to go in a Gurudwara. I go to temples and I go to gurudwaras. I love going to churches. I really like doing that. I don't do that a lot in Mumbai, but when I'm in Delhi, we sort of do that because a lot of my family is Punjabi. Ashna Javed. Hi Ashna. Hi Prajakta, I love you and congrats on Shameless. Thank you. Here are a few questions for you. Are you usually early or late? There's always a traffic problem because I stay in Thane and any place I have to go to, it takes me a lot of time. So in terms of like getting ready, leaving out of the house on time, I'm never late like that, but the traffic really screws me up sometimes. If you didn't have to sleep, what would you do with the extra time? I would write more often. I don't know if you guys read that article that I wrote for the Huffington Post. If not, I'll put it in the description. I really like that article. I'm not like, I'm not doing, I really like that article, and after reading that article I was like, why don't I write more often? I used to write a blog, I used to write a diary, I used to write like every time I traveled, I used to write notes. I don't know why I don't write it, so I would write more. What's something you like to do the old-fashioned way? Old-fashioned way? I don't know, man. If you were a dictator of a small island nation, what crazy dictator stuff would you do? I would ban out formal clothing because I think it's so depressing. मतलब बंदा ऑफिस में जाके काम करना भी चाहे ना तो औरों को देख के ऐसे डिप्रेस जाए कि ओह क्या ब्राउन वाइट कपड़े पहन के आ गए. It is so depressing. Like I'll be so pumped to work at a place where people are wearing colorful stuff, or they're wearing their pajamas, they're wearing shorts, they're cool, they're having fun, they're relaxed. Vishang looks the same all throughout the week. Shirt, trousers, belt, shoes. I mean, it's so depressing to look at him. So I can't even imagine sitting in a place where everybody looks the same. So if I was a dictator, I would do something that superficial. Like I would ban informal clothing. I would ask everybody to come in their pajamas. What's the dumbest thing you have done that actually turned out pretty well? I think the dumbest decision, which seemed like that at that time, was leaving a very high chance of getting a full-time job at a place which I had dreamt to be working at all my life, which was a radio station where I already was. Quitting that and coming to and taking up an option which I had no clue about. I had no clue how it would work. I had no clue how to go about it. It was totally new territory. Nobody had a clue. None in my family, none in my friends. So I think quitting radio and coming to YouTube seemed like a dumb decision for me at that time. But look how we did now. I don't think I've made a better decision in my life. So yeah. It's okay if you take dumb decisions sometimes. Amruta Pandare. Hi Amruta. Hey Prajakta, sing Despacito Spanish version, just a few lines. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte besos despacito. Firmo en las paredes de tu laberinto y hacer de tu cuerpo todo manuscrito. Despacito. I don't know. Nina Pujari. Hi Nina. Hey, sorry. Hey Prajakta, I love you so much. Thank you so much. Actually my name is, your name is Mansi. Okay. Oh, hello Nina auntie. Hi Mansi. Which is your favorite Aicha Hatsa Jevan? It's my absolute favorite. You know what you call soul food when mama fries chicken? And with chicken there's normal yellow dal khichdi. Megha Soni. Hi Megha. Love you Prajakta and congratulations for Shameless. Thank you. This Saturday is my birthday. Oh, and your wish would be the best birthday gift for me. Alright, are you guys clapping with me? I'm serious, clap. Alright, clap, bhai. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Megha. birthday to you. Alright, you guys, so those were all the questions for this week's hashtag Sawal Saturday. I like these questions. Finally, we are upping our game with the questions, lovers. I am liking them. A lot of fun. I'm sorry I look swollen. I'm still sort of like... If you have any questions for me to answer, feel free to drop them in the comments below with the hashtag Sawal Saturday, so I'll answer them next week. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, you should do that because it's free. Duh. Also, there's a bell icon next to the subscribe button. If you hit it, you'll be like ding notified every time I'm on YouTube. Alright, I'm gonna go now. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. I come up with new videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. I'll see you guys again on Tuesday. Until we meet, love.